Removing a broken antenna from a car wash incident on a Toyota Tacoma. Needed drill with a very small bit and a hammer to loosen it up a little bit. So what I did was I drilled a small hole, and it takes a little while. And then you reverse the screwdriver. Reverse the screwdriver, and out comes the broken bit. Then in goes the new antenna. Getting a shorter one this time on Amazon. One that will still receive signal, but that won't break. Well, hopefully it won't break. Remains to be seen. But there you go. I think if you tighten that enough, then you can just remove the rubber part. For the car wash.